The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So yes, it's rolling now. Oh my God. Imagine. We take Fitfoot and send him out and he get his foot broke and nobody tend to him. Look at the condition. Look where he's staying. No food. No proper bedding. Nobody to tend to him. He's all here alone. Look at the window. Cold breeze coming in at him. Let me step up here. Look at the ceiling. See it? That's where he's staying. All by himself. And an unfinished building. Right now I'm seeking some help for him. I don't know what you can do to give him some help. He need to get dressing, food, and I would like somebody to take him and put him into a home. This is the condition. Look at the place. Cold breeze. Cold breeze. This is where he is staying. Oh my God. Chanel, we don't want to take your face tonight, you know. Yes, this is the big unfinished building he's staying. This is the stairs. There's no way he can go down there. This is the stairs. This is where he is, straight down. So you see, we are on top. Anyway, let me put it back on him again. So Fitfoot, nobody care food for you? Imagine, he's unsound, he has no family. But he's a guy always on the street. Whoever want him to go to the shop or do a little work for him, he's willing. Now somebody sent him out. He was hit by a car. And this is the condition they left him in. Nobody look at him. See it? I don't think there's no water. Empty container, all empty container. This bag with all his clothing. You got pampers in this? So who changed your pampers? Huh? Who changed your pampers? He stink. He need a bath. This is my partner here, Chanel. She's trying to help me with him, getting some help. This is me. Chanel video me make them see me, yes. How long now you get it done, Chanel?
From October.
October? Well, I hear that he was hit sometime in October. Went to the hospital, spent some time. I don't know who get him out, but he's out. And he's right here. From then, no medication, no bandage, no dressing, nothing, no food, nothing. Please, I'm asking for some help. I need somebody to come and take him, put him into a house, a safety where he can get cared. Fitfoot, I'm trying to get some help. I'm trying to get somebody to come and take you from here and bring you into a home where they can feed you and trim your hair and bathe you. But we will come and look for you, okay? So I'm going to end the video now. This is the big unfinished building. Yes, and this is Yorktown community. Again, I say, he's of unsound mind. This is where he sleeps, this is where he lives, but he always in the street. People would ask him to go to the shop, do some work and stuff like that. But on this day, he was sent by somebody to a shop, get hit by a car. And this is it. This is the end of him. Nobody look at him. Now I just come and I hear about him. And I'm trying to get some help for him. Fitfoot, I'm going to get you some food, okay? So Chanel, we're going to look some food for Fitfoot, right? And come back. Fitfoot, me soon come back here. Soon come back.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the seriousskilla, and I have another video that I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, just a little from now. But I just want to explain a certain little thing about the video that I just showed you, my viewers and subscribers. And the other video that I'm going to show you is pertaining to the video that I just showed you. That other video is going to show up the person getting somewhat of a help. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, even if the help was not much of a help, but it helped a little. Even that, you see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, these videos that I got have been brought to my attention, showing of a person that is said to be mentally ill that was living in a certain condition that was really not good certain ways. That's why I say it's not good. And these videos shows of persons that were actually concerned, and it shows of the person getting help. You know, persons out there that, you know, will try and assist other persons that are less fortunate or, you know, can't help themselves. You see me? And viewers and subscribers, that's one of the main things to why I'm bringing this video. You know, I would like to encourage others to help someone if them can. You get what I'm saying to you? Let us build a better world. A better world, I said. Not a better Jamaica, but a better world. Right? Yeah, and viewers and subscribers, right about now, I'm going to let you look at the other video right about now, viewers and subscribers. And really and truly, it's just sad. You know, I am actually feeling good that someone's actually helping this person, but it's really sad. You see me, I said to you, that this person had to go through something like that. You see me, I said to you, I mean, look at the condition of the place. You see me? If that person is not able to walk properly, where am go for hold a shower? You know what I mean? The necessary needs, like things where you do at the bathroom, and I don't need to mention it. I mean, where am going to do those kind of things? So, you know, all those things run through my head and I just think about it. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's another video that I'm going to show you. You know, this video shows of the person getting somewhat of a help. You see me? I mean, like I said, it might not be a big help, but you know, it helps. You see me? Yeah, and I would like to give a shout out and a big up and a respect to Jamaican Queen, you know, and a big up and a respect to anyone out there that, you know, helps people and all those kind of things. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, more big up each and every one like that. You see me? Alright. Now, viewers and subscribers, right about now I'm going to show you the video and you can tell me what you think about what you have seen in the video and other things as well. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself, and here is the other video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yes. We're here again with Fit Food. Somebody has donated a mattress because, as you see, the one before wasn't of no good. Somebody has donated sheet, so we are doing all we can. Fix it that way. Yes, just pull it around and pull it right around and put it so. So if somebody come up, then can just come right around. Put it underneath it. You know, we have to get piece of board for rest the mattress span door. You can't spread bed, girl. Just kidding. Put on the other piece. Put this over it now. Put that over it. People have stepped in and donate sheet. My nose have burned me. You can use that cover. But what may I say, you see? Oh, we are going to get him. We don't have no clean clothes for him. So he can lie down on that. Now we can get one old pillar. We suppose we can find one old pillar for him. Put it over so. So you can use this on cover now. Chanel, you say you measure the curtain part. You see? Him get a clean room now. Him get a clean room now. Fit Foot, you get a clean room now. Person nobody go in now, because you know we and you are work together. Nobody go left here. I have women on the team. Person is our guy on the team. You can't put them something too far, you know. We have to go pack them back down this side. You see, if we not get something put under this bed bug, I'll go under there.
Put here so and get one card and tie it.
Measure it and see how far you reach. Measure. But you're not going to go that way. So, oh, so you need something to stand on. Wait, man, wait until we get him off of the chair. So that can left for last. Just put that down there. What else we have into the bag there? So guess what now? Oh, we're going to get him here so now. Pese, your time, bossy. Yeah, man, we have soap and tissue. But wait, we have underpants. We can change the underpants we got. Where's the bag? Where's the bag? Oh, there's a blue bag there. Put it right here, so. Put it on bedside. Put everything at the bedside when you can reach it. Like we say if we can, the underpants may have a sting, but we not got no, what we, Jesus. Alright, me go hand this now and see if we can clean him up and fix him up. We don't want the clean up up on the video.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.